Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to place orders using the TradingView mobile app. Whether you prefer instant order execution or like to double-check your setup before confirming. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to place, modify, and manage trades right from your phone. Let's start with the basics. On TradingView Mobile, there are two main ways to place orders, using the Instant Order Placement mode or through the Order panel. Instant mode lets you execute orders immediately when you tap Buy or Sell, while the regular mode gives you a confirmation panel before your trade goes through. To check or change this setting, tap the three dots in the lower right corner of your screen, open the chart settings, and then select the Trading tab. Here you'll find an option called Instant Order Placement mode. If you enable it, your orders will go through instantly with one tap. If you keep it off, you'll see the order panel pop up every time you want to buy or sell, giving you a chance to review your position before confirming. Now, if you're using the mobile app, you might notice that there's no context menu like on desktop. Instead, TradingView gives you a simpler way to place pending orders using the plus button on the price scale. If you don't see it, here's how to enable it. Tap on the gear wheel icon in the chart window, go to the trading section, and make sure the plus button option is turned on. Once that's done, just select the price level where you want to place your order. Tap the plus button, and a small menu will appear where you can choose the order type like limit, stop, or market. If you select Create New Order, the full order panel will open so you can review and adjust your trade before confirming. When Instant Order Placement mode is disabled, every time you hit Buy or Sell or create a pending order, you'll always see the order panel first. This gives you full control to adjust lot size, stop loss, take profit, and order type before finalizing. If you want to modify an order directly on the chart, it's super easy. Just tap on the order line to select it, then drag it up or down to adjust your price level. You can also open the order details to edit or close the trade manually. This setup makes mobile trading fast, flexible, and intuitive, perfect for traders who want to stay active even while on the go. Whether you're scalping quick moves or setting up swing trades, having control over how your orders are placed can make all the difference. And that's it. Now you know how to place and manage orders on the TradingView mobile app like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more TradingView tutorials, and comment below if you prefer trading on mobile or desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.